Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2045th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, Jan 16th, 2020. Traders, before we discuss the charts I'm about to show you, please know this is a very risky business. It is certainly not suitable for all traders. You must know that stops have to be placed, protective stops. Place those orders first before you get into a trade. You must have risk capital earmarked to be lost. And just know this is a very, very risky business. You must know what you're doing. I can certainly help you at livewithoscar.com. in my free trading room if you want to join me there. No credit cards required, kids. Don't be nervous. Just come on in and say hello. Now, what is going on for trading on Thursday, Jan 16th? Well, in last night's video, I showed you the transportation average. And I said, you know, it's interesting how the transportation average is known to put these double tops in and then pull back. And once again, you can see that same sort of action here. Double top, nice pullback. And then in a larger scale, we have this one. Rallied up to here, stayed there, made its rally all the way back here, now double top. And basically the transportation average hit that double top on Wednesday, went through it, and stayed there. Now, it could still turn out to be a double top because on the weekly, it looks like a double top as well, and we won't know that until Friday. So keeping that in mind, everything else I look at in the indices for trading on Thursday is quite bullish, except for this possible look right here. So if all the sisters of the transportation average look really bullish and they're all green omnis, I say let's look at this. Take a look at this guy. E-mini S&P. In this Oscarism inside this box known as the F flag, which can stay like this indefinitely, and this F flag can just grow, and you can stay inside of it for a while, and the play inside of here is, you know, it's pretty enormous. At the top of the flag, you're at 33.04. The bottom of it, you're at 32.76. There's a lot of play. So I say we continue to take green omnis and buy the dips inside of this Oscarism F flag, and then we'll see by Friday what's going on with that transportation average. Again, join me in my live trading room and we'll discuss these things. And then if you look at the Russell, if you take a look at this Russell, I think that this, you know what, let's make this a little bigger. I think that this also looks really nice. It's inside of this blue channel, which now I'm going to make it, I'm going to zoom back out for a moment. It's inside of this blue channel, trading very smartly inside of it, by the way, rallying nicely. It got above this red resistance line, so now we'll zoom back in. It got above that red resistance line. If you ask me, I think it's looking pretty good here. So here we are above the red resistance line, right? The market was able to get above it, and now it's building support. Look at the support line building, which it seems to be holding. So it's got a green omni, and then, of course, it kissed the 50-bar moving average and bounced from it, and coincided, by the way, with right here hitting the blue trend line. Market hits the blue trend line, boom. Turns out to be at the 50-bar moving average and the trend line. And since then, it's rallied smartly. So I'm going to go with that until the transportation average says something different or the Omni flips to red. So we've got a green Omni in E-mini S&P, green Omni in Russell 2000. Let's go take a look at one other market here. Because last night, because for trading on Tuesday and Wednesday, we were bearish. If you recall, we were bearish gold. The market did drop. We had the bear flag, so we called for a down day. The market did go lower. And since then, it started to rally. We actually were able to trade on the short side on Wednesday and make a few bucks in gold. But the Omni has flipped to a buy for trading on Thursday. So don't forget, Jan 16 Thursday, the Omni has now flipped to a buy. So from Wednesday night forward, for now, Omni's back into a buy for trading gold. We would be buying dips if we get a chance and we get filled. Traders, remember, this is a risky business. Put your stops in first. Hang out with me at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room. And keep your emotions out of trading. It's not easy, but you must remember to do that. One of the things that I find that helps me, and hopefully it will help you, is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.